Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be reviewing two contour products. I'm starting with the KKW Stick Contour, and I'm using the shade Dark Number 1. Now, one thing I will say about this comes as a kit, so you're actually getting 4 products in one. You get 2 contour shades and 2 highlighting shades. I like to use a dual fiber brush to blend in my contours. I just feel like you get a much smoother application and blend that way. And one thing I will say is I was pleasantly surprised by how well this product blends in. I was thinking because it was a stick, it was going to be a little bit more difficult, but it actually blends in very easily. Now, one thing that does concern me about this is how little product you get for each shade. And also the stick is a little wobbly inside of the canister or the stick that it's in, so that's a little bit concerning. But overall, it's a nice shade, and I feel like this shade, Dark Number 1, works well for my skin tone. Now for the Fenty, I'm using shade Chocolate, and I'm using a similar angled brush. It's not dual fiber, but I didn't want to mix the two products together. I'll also say I really like that this comes in a compact form because you don't have to worry about packaging in the way that you do with the stick product, worrying about if it's breaking or how much of product you're applying. You can go as light or as heavy as you want with this. Now, for both of these, I'm going to be setting them with the Soft Focus Black Radiance Powder in the shade Milk Chocolate. I do this every time I apply my contour to my face. So overall, both products blend out just fine. I do like the way Fenty blends a little bit more. As far as packaging, I definitely prefer the Fenty Compact versus the stick because I don't have to worry about that breaking. Both of these products cost the exact same, $32, but you're actually getting more product in the Fenty Compact versus the KKW Highlighting and Contouring Kit. So overall, I'm gonna have to ride with Fenty. I just feel like she looks better as well, but that's just my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.